So in preparing for our snowmageddon, I went to Walmart and asked their employees about how they will be doing in the snow and if Walmart will be taking care of them in the snow. And here's what they had to say. Special holiday time
Nope.
pay or nothing? Hazard pay?
Nope.
Probably not.
What do they do if y'all get snowed in? They feed y'all for free?
Nope.
Really? Walmart
Really?
sucks. Last longer than regular Duracell batteries, whatever. Cause I gotta listen to my beats. I know a lot of people don't like beats, but beats work for me. And then in the process, I put these batteries in my headphones. Didn't last a day. Now on the packaging, it clearly states no alkaline, will last longer. Alright? So I'm going to show you the packaging that it came in. It says that. No alkaline, lasts long. Okay? Now, I thought maybe I left the on switch on my headphones on or something and they went dead or whatever. Took two more out of the pack. Less than a minute later they were dead. Now, I did my research on alkaline. Basically, whatever the friction is that needs to take place, that gives it power and makes the battery work. Now, mind you, I did use the regular Duracells. They lasted a while. I mean, a long time. These didn't last a minute. But yet and still, Duracell put on the label, no alkaline battery, lasts longer. Bull. I call bull on you, Duracell. Okay? Because I clearly spent like 10 bucks on a 6-pack of batteries and all of them are gone less than 2 days. Dead. Then they supposed to have this little meter on here. When you touch it, it's supposed to show you how much power is left. As you can see, nothing's going up. It has a little indicator thing on here that's supposed to show. And I did a power check on the ones that died after a minute. No power. Needless to say, I always keep a backup pair of headphones, my Beats. These are my wireless Beats that I like to use. So, shame on you, Duracell. Shame on you.